Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the inputs and the immediate test. Point to the exact cells or ranges you will evaluate, then choose whether each condition must all be true or any can be true. Once done, type equals and, or equals or, and insert the first logical expression like A2 0 or B2 equals complete. Make sure to separate conditions with commas. If you need the inverse, wrap with not. This sets the structure for combining results. Now construct the detailed logic using comparison operators and functions. For mixed tests, nest and inside or vice versa, for example, equals if, or an A210 B2 equals yes, C2 less or equal 5, pass, fail, this returns a clear result. Once nested, check parentheses and commas, Excel will flag syntax errors. Make sure to lock ranges with $ when copying formulas, then drag or fill down to apply the combined logic across rows. Complete by validating results and handling exceptions. Test edge cases like empty cells, zero values, or text where numbers are expected. Adjust using isBlank or value functions. Once done, use evaluate formula to step through calculations if outcomes seem wrong. Make sure to convert formulas to values if you need fixed outputs. One troubleshooting tip: if logic returns unexpected true/false, inspect data types and stray spaces with trim and value.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.